YouTube, back with another video. I had forgot to record while I was I'm about to show y'all, but I forgot to record what I was doing is working on this car, so I forgot to record picking up a part. So this my fault. This is probably gonna be like a little short little video right here. So what I'm working on is a 2014 Dodge Charger. Uh, I'm doing a rack of pinion on it, and then I already had did a few days ago. I already had did the paddle side strut on it already. So I'm about to show y'all this right here. This a used rack of pinion. So it ain't new. It's just used. So that's what I'm doing, because I already got this one out. Well, all the bolts and stuff is loose already. So I got that bolt off, another bolt right here, and another bolt on that side. And then I gotta take this the last bolt. Well, it's already loose, but I gotta take the last bolt out for right here off for this way. Let me set y'all down real quick. I know what I'm doing if y'all can see it. So it's already loose already. So yeah, gang, so this is what this video about. It's changing the rack pin, and then I'm gonna put some new positive tire rods on it. So I don't want to hit my camera. There we go. So then I gotta unloosen the bolts. Well, not bolts, but unloosen the lines off. So I got my pin. These two lines got to come off. Not this side. Not that side. There we go. Okay. Grab my hammer real quick. Let's see if y'all can see it. Might put y'all inside a different angle. Can y'all see it? Yep. Y'all can see it. So yeah, guys, so this gonna be, like I said, a little short video. I had forgot to record, so that hurt it. So y'all bear with me on that. So I gotta take this line off. I can't get to take that line off. So yeah, and then I put the go over here and finish work on the Monte Carlo. So I don't know, it might be today, or it might be next weekend. I'm probably gonna go over there. So, but I can give y'all some footage on that. Got stuff in my pocket. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be like a short little video. I don't know, maybe like a 20-minute video, maybe between 20 or 25-minute video. I not try to make it too long. So might want to scoot y'all back because this is about ready to come out. One. That's two. So dang it. I forgot about the set 13. Yep. Damn it. Now give me 1 second. So I think I'm gonna have to use time to go ahead and hurry and get this done before it gets too hot. Cause it's being hot, so I haven't been working on no cars lately. So just got on 2. So yeah, I ain't been working on the car because it's been hot. Hey, oh, just one little screw. Hey, I don't know, gang. All one little screw catching me up. Damn. I don't know if I got to cut y'all off for a minute so I can get this screw out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute so I get this out when I put the other one in. Alright guys, I got the rack off. I can see it. This is the old one, and this is the new one right here. I had to switch irons on the old one. Y'all can see it. This the inner tire rod is bent in. I don't know if y'all can see it good on the camera. I don't know if y'all can see it good right here. But this one was bent, so it's bent all right here. So I had to switch them out. But I got new iron tire rods about to put in right here. So I'm about to put these on real quick, and I got a call, and I'm gonna fade back to y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, that was just a little quick little call. So, see these cheap little gloves just keep tearing on me. So I'm gonna have to find me some more of these that it don't tear on me. I had just put these on. This was a new little pair. So yeah, gang, so that, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these outer tire wires on real quick before I put the whole rack back on. So after this, then they're gonna have to go get a wheel alignment. I'm gonna try to get the wheel straight best I can. So put this way, the steering wheel will not be all crooked. I should just left that loose. So this way, if I do gotta straighten it out. So. So that's on. Go ahead, put this back up under. So guys, I'm gonna put y'all. Should I put y'all back the same? Yeah, I'm gonna put y'all back the way I had y'all. Like that. So, do this. I'm gonna go get some more power steering fluid. Okay, I handle it. That bad? Go ahead, some more. Something. I'll be worried about this. Okay, that side again. This side again. Last end. Let's see here. Take my watch off. Okay. Screw drop down. So I can go ahead and start bolting down, yo. So only why the I'm trying to direct because the old one was making some noise, so that's why I had to change the rack, making because I thought it was the strut. It wasn't the strut. Well, it was the strut, but then it was making that noise again. So I had to go ahead and put a new rack because when I had jacked the car up, it was still doing. So I seen where it was coming from, the noise. But that's why we putting a whole nother rack on. Because my neighbor don't like that noise, so they wanted to get it fixed. So I got to drop this again. Well, I can get to it. Really. All right, so do this. Do the zip, 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 zip. Yeah, that's tightened. So now I put it back up. See the hole. That one. That one. That one. All right. That one. That one. That one. I'm about to go order me some new batteries. Put the van order me some new batteries. Yeah. To that job thing that she was doing. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Alright, y'all, we're about to put the lines back on. And let's see where we at. So yeah, this probably gonna be over 25 minutes. So that's one line. And this the last one to pull on, y'all. And then put the tire rods on. It's just a it's just the tire rods. But we are on them. See, go ahead and put it on. Guys, look like the wheel is straight. It look like I don't have to do no adjustment on it. So that's a good thing. Looks like I'm gonna have to adjust the wheel. I don't know, I might do because the steering wheel is kind of crooked. So I'm not gonna have to adjust because the steering wheel is kind of crooked. So I'm gonna have to do a little adjustment on it. Because when I give it back to my neighbor, that this way, but they still gonna. But they still gonna take and go get a wheel alignment on it still. But when I give it back to them, at least the wheel is straight. Time to put this cotter pin back in. So y'all, this is it for this video right here. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tune in with me when I'm dropping these videos. And I see y'all in the next video.